Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So now in this video today we have a special collaboration and it's called I Love That You're My Dad Open Collab, and that's hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, that's me, and at Penny's Place. Now I'm going to be listing the hosts down below in the description box along with the channel links. I'm also going to be listing the playlist. So make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist to see how we celebrated Father's Day. Now I decided to decorate my table outside in the enclosed porch. Now, if you're not part of the Grace Life DIY family, what are you waiting for? I cannot wait to have you. Click that subscribe button and then click that bell that says all so that you don't miss out on any video I upload. Now, I want to take a moment and wish all of the fathers, grandfathers, great-grandfathers, single dads, all of you, I just want to wish you a happy Father's Day, and I hope that you're smothered in love all day long. Now I decided to call this tablescape Summer Sage. So now I'm going to leave you to music while I continue decorating this table, and I'll see you in a bit. Remember to click that like button and full watch the video because this helps me to grow on YouTube. So now this is a budget-friendly tablescape, and the chargers and the plates did come from the Dollar Tree. Now the tablecloth was thrifted from the Salvation Army, and the beautiful display centerpiece in the back, that I DIY'd with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. So now I decided to drape the enclosed porch with some of these curtain lights, and that came out absolutely beautiful. They came from Big Lots, and they definitely set the mood. Now the Dollar Tree is carrying these napkins with the utensils in a sleeve. I pulled out the silver utensils and I placed them in there with some gold utensils that I purchased from Target. So now these white cloth napkins, I went ahead and thrifted those from the Goodwill. Now the water glass and the wine glass, I got those at the Dollar Tree. So we have the lights on, we're lighting the candles. It definitely looks romantic, and I'm absolutely loving the ambiance, and I hope you do too. So we're pretty much almost done. We're going to head on over to the reveal. I'm so excited. So now that I've told you where everything comes from, I think we need to take a closer look. I do want to take a moment and thank At Penny's Place for helping me host this collaboration. I am absolutely loving my napkin dress. I think it looks gorgeous. So once again, I want to wish all the fathers out there a happy Father's Day, and I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.